Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup more tasty. Start with the best ingredients. Ripe, flavorful tomatoes are key. Sauté onions and garlic until deeply golden to build a strong flavor base. A small pinch of sugar can balance the natural acidity of the tomatoes, enhancing their sweetness and overall taste. To add depth, use a good quality vegetable or chicken broth instead of just water. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, cooked down slightly, will intensify the tomato flavor significantly. For richness, stir in a swirl of heavy cream or a dairy-free alternative like coconut milk right before serving. This creates a luxurious texture. Fresh herbs are transformative. Stir in fresh basil or oregano at the end for a vibrant, aromatic lift. For a subtle kick, a small pinch of red pepper flakes can add warmth without making it spicy. Consider a dash of smoked paprika for a unique, savory depth that complements the tomatoes beautifully. Don't forget to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to bring out all the flavors. A final drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil just before serving adds a silky texture and a lovely aroma. Garnish with homemade croutons, a dollop of pesto, or more fresh herbs for an elevated experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.